Hello friends, today we are going to study the difference between SN1 and SN2 reaction. Here S stands for substitution, N is nucleophilic and 1 is unimolecular. Here 2 is for bimolecular. Okay, so the first difference between these two are this one is unimolecular reaction. Okay, and the SN2 is means this is one is bimolecular reaction. Okay, the order of reactivity of the carbon atom is carbocation is in this case SN1. This the order of reactivity 3 degree carbocation is more stable than 2 degree, and this and 2 degree is more stable than 1 degree. Means 3 degree carbocation more reactive towards SN1 than 2 degree than 1 degree. Just reverse case is observed in case of SN2. Here is the 1 degree carbocation gives more reaction than 2 degree than 3 degree. Okay. The 3 degree carbocation means the carbon attached with 3 different group. Okay, means R1, R2, R3 and here halogen. Okay, in presence of aqueous KOH. This reaction gives racemic mixture. Okay, racemic mixture means R2C, R1, R3. Here OH come on this position, and backward front attack and backward attack, both attack are possible in this case. This one is R2, R3, R1. Okay, this one is 50% form and this is also 50% form. These two are known as racemic mixture. Got it? So the 3 degree carbocation is more stable than 2 degree. That's why the 3 degree carbocation is more for this reaction. Because of this reaction is occurring two steps. Okay. In first step the carbocation is formed. The carbocation is formed. Okay. After this the second step is occurred. The main this is the main rate determining step. Okay, the formation of the carbocation is the rate determining step. That's why the 3 degree more reactive than 2 degree than 1 degree. Here with the 1 degree carbocation means the carbon attached with single group D Cl single second carbon. Okay, in presence of KOH. Here inversion occur. Here inversion occur. This one is formed 100%. Okay, this is inversion. Inversion is because of the Cl removed from here and the attack of OH here, just opposite to the Cl. Okay, in this reaction occur in single step. One step means the attack of OH on this carbon and the removal of this Cl in one step. Okay, that's why the inversion backward attack, inversion of the product is obtained in this case. And here the first carbocation form. After carbocation form, the attack of the OH, it may be front side, it can be opposite side. That's why the inversion occur in this case due to the formation of the carbocation in the rate determining step. The fourth point is the rearrangement can be take place in this case. Rearrangement can be take place in this case. Here there is no rearrangement because of only one product is obtained or formed in this case. Okay, in this case the racemic mixture is formed and in this case the inversion product is formed. So the main difference between SN1 and SN2, SN1 is unimolecular, SN2 is bimolecular. The order of carbocation activity is case of SN1 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree. In case of SN2 is 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. This is the mechanism of this reactions. This is occur in 2 step and this one is occur in 1 step. Here is the rearrangement occur and here is no rearrangement. Then thanks, have a good day, and we will meet in next video.